How to use Bing Chat, Bing AI tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about our beginner's tutorial on how to use Bing Chat. Bing Chat is an innovative communication tool powered by AI that allows you to have interactive and intelligent conversations. With Bing Chat, you can engage in natural language conversations with the Bing AI and receive instant responses, making it a powerful tool for various tasks. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the basics of using Bing Chat and show you how to make the most of its features. We'll cover essential topics such as starting a conversation, asking questions, getting information, performing searches, and even having fun with the AI's interactive capabilities. Bing Chat harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to provide accurate and helpful responses, making it a valuable tool and resources for both personal and professional use. So whether you need assistance with finding information, getting recommendation, or simply engaging in entertaining conversation, Bing Chat got you covered. So let's get started. Now, as you can see right now on our screen, we are using the Bing Chat. Now, to be able to access this, you're going to have to go to bing.com, but you're going to have to change your browser as well. You're going to have to use Microsoft Edge to be able to access this and use the Bing Chat as you can see right now. So, to be able to see this, you're simply going to go to a new tab, search for bing.com, and click on enter. And you will be able to open this. As you can see, we will be able to see this section. This is already part of Bing Chat, but you can simply go and click on this chat icon over here on the top, and you will be able to see Bing AI over here or Bing Chat. Now, first of all, the first thing that you are seeing is that you could choose the conversation type. As you can see here, you could choose the way Bing Chat converse with you. You could ask it to be more creative, more balanced, or be more precise. Now, you could use this styles over here depending on what you would like Bing to do something for you. For example, you would like help in a research. Of course, you would like Bing to be more precise, to give you a more precise and accurate information. And so you will be having to go with more precise. If you would like to have a balanced version or like a simple conversation, you could have a balanced mode over here, which would allow you to have informative and friendly chat. You can also go with more creative, which would allow Bing or Bing AI to start a conversation with an imaginative or creative way. And these are the different style over here. Now it is very similar to ChatGPT if you are familiar with that artificial intelligence. It is very similar to that. As you can see, you can simply type in your prompt over here or anything you would like Bing or anything you would like to ask Bing AI, and it will respond to you similarly to ChatGPT. You could also see your recent activities over here. Now, the difference between Bing AI and ChatGPT is that Bing has an internet. Bing is connected to the internet, which allows Bing to have more accurate information, more updated information, and will also show you references or like where it got its information from. It will show you its sources of the information it is given to you. Unlike in ChatGPT, which has the limitation of having the knowledge of only until September 2021, which is 2 years ago. So its information might be very outdated. So that is something Bing has over ChatGPT. Bing has the internet. There's also another difference. Bing has a limitation of its memory. It will only remember 20 prompts or 20 conversations that it has with you. As you can see, we're going to show you that later, which shows the 20 memory limitation. In ChatGPT, there is no limitation and it can remember anything or any conversation that you have told it before. For example, you have asked it to remember something or you have talked about something. It will still be able to remember that conversation even after a long chat or after a long prompt of exchange. And ChatGPT won't be able to forget whatever you have talked about. But in Bing, you will be able to forget, or Bing will be able to forget the different information or the different prompt that you have talked before after 20 prompts. Now, another thing about Bing is that it is very bad in math. It won't be able to assist you properly if you ask it with mathematical questions. It may provide you an answer, but sometimes it is going to provide you with an imaginative answer or like a made-up answer. Bing likes to lie about its answers even if it's not math related. So you're going to have to fact check a lot of information that you're asking Bing. But this is more easier than ChatGPT because Bing is already connected to the internet and it is showing you its sources. So you can simply click on the sources that Bing has provided to you and you can simply check it yourself also. That's the difference again between ChatGPT. Both ChatGPT and Bing AI provides imaginative answers sometimes. It will give you some lie or like made up answers to be able to give you an answer. And sometimes that is not good. Or not rather sometimes. It is always not good to be able to receive false information it shows that even though it says that it is true. So ChatGPT or Bing AI needs to have their facts checked a lot of times. So using Bing, you will be able to use its sources or the sources feature to be able to easily fact check it easily. So that's a good thing for Bing. Now let's go try out and test how Bing works. Now, like I said, it is very similar to ChatGPT. So you're simply going to type in whatever you would like to ask Bing. For example, we're going to ask something related to cars. Tell me. And as you can see here, also when typing, you will see this section over here that says a word and then tab over here. So when I press tab, it will suggest text or some phrases that you could add to your prompt over here. So we're simply going to try this feature first and let's see what it would come up with. And as you can see, it was able to produce this. Tell me a story about a cat and dog in a World Cup 2022 by just simply using the suggestions or the suggested text or words over here suggested by Bing. So we could try and actually have this information. Click on enter. And as you can see, it's going to send it to Bing AI and it's going to respond. And as you can see here, you will be able to see this text over here, searching for World Cup 2022. This indicates that Bing is actually searching the internet for information so that you will be able to get accurate information or like information that is actually based on the real thing, as you can see here. And it will generate it over here, as you can see. And you will be able to copy whatever prompt is produced over here by simply clicking on copy over here. And you will be able to paste it to wherever you would like. And as you can see here also, you have 1 out of 20. This means this is the memory of Bing. It means that once it is over 20, it will forget everything that is talked about or the information talked about before the 20 limitation over here. This is what I talked about earlier, wherein the memory is only up to 20 prompts. And as you can see here also, you can see under learn more, you will be able to see where Bing is getting the information from. This is from wikipedia.org. Wikipedia.org once again. This is about FIFA World Cup final. This is about FIFA World Cup 2022. You also have FIFA.com over here, which is Qatar, and more Wikipedia over here, which is FIFA Club World Cup over here. So it's basing its story over here, this information that it has created over here. It is based on the information gathered from Wikipedia and FIFA.com over here. Now it will also show you some suggestions like, can you tell me more about Lusail Stadium or what are the famous stadium in Qatar? It will base its suggestions based on the information produced over here. So depending on what you ask it to produce, it will give you a different suggestions over here. Now we could create a new topic by simply clicking on new topic over here, which will reset our section over here. It will also show you some suggestions once again over here. Now we could try and asking it for like more information. For example, give me a table of which car I should buy that is within 30k. And click on enter and let's see what Bing will be able to produce for us. We are asking Bing to produce us a table that is best that we can buy under 30k or $30,000. And as you can see here, it's also showing you its references again, its sources over here. You can see the information or the title of the information from cnet.com. We can see best cars under $30,000 for 2022. This one, same thing, 2023. And for round track is the same thing, 2023. And as you can see here, it's producing our information. The first one is the model Camaro, then the price, then the features over here, Dodge Challenger, price, and features. It's going to show you this information over here, as you can see. And it will produce, I don't know how much it would produce, but it will produce at least 10, I'm guessing. and that's quite great. And as you can see, we were able to narrow it down to at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 list of our cars that are the best under $30,000 over here. As you can see, you could check out the different features that we have, and then you could ask the difference between CVT and automatic transmission, and which car has the best fuel economy, stuff like that. You could ask this information over here, and this is a follow-up question based on its suggestions, and this is very good actually. ChatGPT doesn't have like a follow-up options over here, but you could still follow up in ChatGPT, but unlike in Bing, it will give you suggestions of what you could ask. And as you can see, we are currently asking, and it is searching for CVT and automatic transmissions over here. And it's going to provide you once again with information or like the sources where it's getting it from. And as you can see here, this is its information once again. Then another one over here, and I think it's going to produce another one. Let's see if it will produce another one. And as you can see, we have autolist over here.com. And that's it, guys. That's how you could use Bing or Bing AI to produce you information that are possibly better than ChatGPT. Although personally, I like ChatGPT more, but Bing has a lot more potential, a lot more capabilities that it can provide you than ChatGPT. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.